So firstly, I really love how both the brands have come together and used their unique strengths to create something so beautiful with a purpose, of course. Hi, my name is Kamna and I'm the founder of the brand Nopel. I'm a leather designer. We at Nopel create leather accessories out of leather offcuts, and we create leather small goods and jewelry pieces. The 4 seeds of consciousness that I'm trying to cultivate and implement in my life. The first one would definitely be making conscious purchases, controlling my impulses and really spending my time and money things that give me a fulfilling experience. The second one would be avoiding single use, not just plastics but anything that I already own. Basically repurposing things as much as possible. Third would be being mindful of my waste generation, of things that I'm consuming and buying, right from what I'm eating to the products that I'm consuming. And the fourth, and the one I feel which is the most important, is learning and adapting, which is always trying to look for better alternatives and trying to implement them in my life. Having my family around and knowing that my loved ones were safe was definitely a security blanket. Other than that, Nopel being born in a pandemic, it really makes me curious to explore what else is out there for us, to having some FaceTime with our community, traveling places to get inspired for things that we can do, basically exploring things that are out there for us. Frida Kahlo inspires me greatly. Her usage of bold patterns and colors is definitely something that I do want to reflect in Nopel style. And also the way that she channelized her struggles in life into her art is something which is definitely I look up to. So firstly, I really love how both the brands have come together and used their unique strengths to create something so beautiful with a purpose, of course. And also I really love how the inspiration of the charbagh actually translates into the pieces. The shoe designed for me I particularly love because it reflects a lot of my personal design sensibilities, the color gradations, the shade of tan. It's something that I personally tend to use a lot in my pieces as well. I love how the shoe is absolutely effortless. It's extremely delicate yet very edgy, and I would see myself wearing it from my studio to actually wearing it out on a lunch date or just a day out.